How to post on Twitter. If you are a Twitter user or a new X user there and you want to post on the very Twitter or the X, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Twitter or X on your mobile device. After that, you can see the interface like this. This is your home interface in the X application or the Twitter application. And after you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the next option. That is the plus icon out there. You have to just tap on the plus icon because after you tap on the plus icon, you can create a new post on the Twitter or the X. So after you go to the plus icon out there, you can go to the option of the photos or the post as well. After you go to the option of photos, you can tap any of the photos that you want to keep from your very gallery. You can pick up any of the photos or any of the very next items out there. After you pick up a picture, now you can add a very nice comment out there because this way your followers will like it. Now you have to go to the option of post and also go to the option of gut it. This way your post will be posted on X or the Twitter. Thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.